Hi, I'm Colleen. You might know me as Nurse Colleen from 710 Morning Show and Green Carpet Networking events. This is the edibles portion of the Cannabis Certificate Program. And first, we're going to go over the edibles basics. So the first thing I'd like to cover is what's considered an edible. An edible is basically anything you take orally that's absorbed sublingually or somewhere along the GI tract. Cannabis, and I just want to note that cannabis in its natural form is not psychoactive. Cannabis needs to be heated, aged, or exposed to light in order to activate it to make it psychoactive. And we're going to cover, it's a process called decarboxylation that we'll cover in the next section. Do edibles taste like cannabis? They can taste like cannabis, but they don't necessarily have to. It depends on how you make it, what you make it with, and how potent you make it. So it's all up to you. What are the different types of edibles? There's many different things are considered edibles. RSO and distillate are edibles. Cannabis tinctures. There's canna butters, canna oils, canna honey, canna sugar, canna teas. There's powders. And what about THC and CBD in edibles? Do they make a difference? Well, CBD dominant edibles have little to no THC. And CBD tends to help more with reducing anxiety, decreasing inflammation, helps you stay asleep. And you want to make sure that it contains less than 0.3% THC, so it's legal. THC dominant edibles have little to no CBD. THC helps more with pain, increasing appetite, nausea and vomiting, and depression and PTSD. But most people report the biggest relief from ratio products. And that's, it could be like 1 part CBD to 1 part THC, or 1 to 4, or 2 to 3, 1 to 8. There's many different ratios, but adding that CBD in with the THC tends to give the best relief. And sativa versus indica is the next thing I want to cover. Now, you may have heard sativa gives you energy and indica in the couch, but I tend to think that the different effects from the different cultivars are because of the terpenes. And if you think about it, sativa strains tend to have more limonene, which is uplifting, and indica tend to have more linalool, which is more sedating. The benefits of edibles. Edibles are easier to dose than inhalation. There's no smoke or irritation to the throat or lungs. Edibles give you a much more intense body high. So people report much more relief, pain relief, much heavier muscle relaxation. Edibles are discreet to use in public, and the effects last longer than inhalation.